This is Edgemate Stone Tools introducing the Edgemate OnePass, the first portable automatic edge polisher. This model is the 300E, which makes it have 3 polishing heads that are driven by electric motors. The portability aspect of this machine is the fact that it runs on a track or a rail. This track system was introduced 15 years ago with the Edgemate 100, and so the existing Edgemate 100 owners can also operate the OnePass on their existing tracks. The track is clamped to the stone with these bar clamps that are slid down a continuous groove to clamp the track to the stone. You need about a 1/2 to 3/4 inch reveal for the stone. Needs to be somewhat parallel, but not too crucial because the heads are pneumatically controlled. So the way the automation works is we put these track markers. This is a start track marker. So we've designed the machine to go left to right and right to left. We have it set up right now to go right to left. So the start track marker is on the leading edge of the polished stone. And over here on the left, we have the stop track marker, and this is on the trailing edge of the polished edge. Now if you're doing an L-shaped top, we recommend that you start from the inside corner and then work your way out. So in this situation, we'd be going right to left. For the other side of the L, you need to go left to right. And so you'd have to flip the track markers left to right. So come into the machine. We have position 1, position 2, position 3. We have a 3-step pad system. You can also use more pads if you want to send the thing twice down the track. We have power switches for each spindle. We have manual actuation for the spindle, the pneumatics. We have pressure, air pressure for the amount of polishing pressure for each pad, 1, 2, and 3. We also have ammeters that shows you how much current is being consumed or how much load is on each spindle. Up at the top, we have an e-stop. This power switch is for the water. This is the PLC for the drive motor. We're doing a black stone, so we have it set for 25 inches a minute. We have an air pressure switch that shows how much air pressure is on the drive wheel. We have a direction switch. Being that we're going to go right to left, we'd have it in this direction. If we're going left to right, we'd have it in that direction. There's also a neutral here so that you can pass over the track markers and the machine becomes blind. We also have a feed button, and this is what engages the drive wheel to the track. So to get this started here, we'll bring the machine a little closer to the edge here. And so the first thing we're going to do is turn on the water. We'll turn on the 3 spindles. We'll have the direction switch on, the direction we're going. We'll turn on the drive motor. Now it's spinning. This feed button will make it start to travel. So we'll turn on the motors. And the water. The machine was designed to shut itself off when it sees a stop track marker. So that shuts the water off, shuts the 3 spindles off, and also disengages the drive motor from the track. So we'll shut the drive motor off. We'll bring the machine over to the right. So if we were doing like a 2-inch back, if we were doing a backsplash, we could pull this piece out and put another one in underneath. So let me dry this off. And we'll show you the polish. We'll wipe the water off, and then we'll use a heat gun. Alright, and I will bring you closer here to see the quality of the edge. You can see the reflection of the overhead lights, the flatness of the polish. So, the machine itself weighs 75 pounds. It runs on 110 volts. The amount of water is probably in the 3 gallons per minute range. It can go up to 80 inches a minute, but I think you're going to be in that 25 to 40 inches a minute, depending upon the material. So anyway, this is Edgemate Stone Tools with the Edgemate OnePass. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd love to tell you about it. Thanks for watching.